Hello everyone, welcome to Neria's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my stage makeup. What I do to start with, you see that I don't have any makeup, right? So before applying any stage makeup, it's very important for you to have a clear skin so you don't have makeup and then you add more makeup. And I also want to say that depends on which role I dance, I change my makeup slightly. It means that I would change my eyeshadow, maybe to match my costume, or I would add some glitter. So first of all, I apply a very basic foundation. It comes with a cushion, and I just apply it all over my face. Yep, slightly changed. Second step, I bought this in a professional makeup store for stage makeup. It's a thick paste, right? It's like salmon color. So I take and I apply it under my eyes and in places that I want to highlight. It's a very thick product, which means that it will stay. It's not going to crack or anything. And it really covers well. It might seem orange, but you know, stage makeup requires a lot. Yes, I wouldn't do this for everyday makeup. Step number 3, it's to find for the contouring which product you want. So I have two. I bought in the same store as the other one. Different, slightly different. One of them is darker. So what you do, you take the side of the sponge with a sharp corner, and you see where your cheekbone line is. Don't do it all the way, just half. And all the way here. And slightly. Seems very thick right now, but we will blend it later. And the other side. You don't want your face to be all dark, so what you do is you take the one we were using before and you adjust. So you find your cheekbones there. So now we go into the eyes. I use this eyeshadow first. It's like champagne color. With a brush, make sure you take and you apply it especially right underneath your eyebrow. I also have this product I bought in Japan, and it's for underneath the eyes. It's shiny. In the center, it's important. Good. Now, my eyeshadows. I use these ones. Also, again, depends on the ballet I'm doing, but this is like the basic I would do. So first I start with a lighter eyeshadow. My eyeball. All the way. Then we go to a little darker one, and we do side and up. Start there in the corner and go up. So we want to keep the eyeball light, not dark color. If you see that your eyeball got dark, you can always go back to the light color and fix it again. Good. And then we go to the darker color. We use this side, the sharper side, because we don't want a lot of this. So what I do is draw a line, the line that I will do my eyeliner, and then I blend it in. You see, I make the line. And to the other side. Eyeliner time. I start from the outside. And then so at the Bolshoi Ballet Academy we had makeup classes, and some of the makeup I learned it from there. Now I do my lower line. The line, I don't make it too low, just underneath my eye, and I try to keep it straight. You can add white color in between the line and your eye to make your eye bigger. You can also add red inside here. In my case, I would just add this color again. And I would clean up my lines again with the same color. For my cheeks, I use this color. You can also use actually lip gloss, just a little bit there, because it gives that texture, that shininess. So just over there. Don't be afraid of using color because that's going to give you volume on stage. If you only use basic colors, your face will look like very flat. So make sure you use some colors, not very bright and heavy, but slightly, and make sure if you see that there's something like not very clean, you can always So now we do the eyebrows of Sephora and I combine the two colors, and you have to start from the bottom of your eyebrow, draw the line, and then from there make small movements up. You want your eyebrow to look natural, so don't start by putting it right there because it's going to look very thick and heavy. So start underneath. And then slightly up. It also comes with, it's like a glue to make sure that stays. When I do Snow Queen in the Nutcracker, I add glitter. You can add glitter right here or right here. Let's make shiny. And now we move on to my least favorite part, the eyelashes. I think they are the hardest thing when I do my makeup. So most of you will know the side that has smaller hair goes inside. Yep. So we have our glue. Put it in the center of your eye, press down, and you take pretty good. Make sure this part stays down. Same thing, place it in the middle of your eye and then push down to the side. Always use your eyeliner. If you see that the line doesn't really match, you take the eyeliner and paint right there. You can also add a little bit, as like different, just a tiny bit. And then I use powder. When I didn't have bangs, so my hair was up, I would also use the dark contour, and I would make a line right there. Yes. And all the way here. Even my neck. Like, you can make line and line, and here too. Good. And the last step, gloss. So I usually use a red paste, another kind. Depending on the shape of your lips, for example, my lips are small, right? So you have to paint over your lip. So you see where your lip is, a little lower. You see, over your lip. So this is my stage makeup. So again, makeup is different for all the people. Like this works for my face, but for example, I know some people contour their nose as well, so you can use, I sometimes actually do as well, but depends. So you can contour your nose like that, and then blend it in. Yes. So if you have any other features you need to correct, like the shape of your nose, make it sharper, or your contour right here, or underneath, or right here, yes, that's up to you. So depends on your face shape and your features, you should do slightly different makeup for yourself. So this was my tutorial, my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it and found it useful. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you find like a product that you love, make sure to write it in the comment and share it with everyone. And yep, I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.